Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today is a different video. I'm going to share some goodies that I bought today. Normally I try not to do haul videos, but this I wanted to share. Um, so I went to Hobby Lobby here in Virginia, and today was a very interesting day. The kids had a snow day, if you know what I mean. They had some issues with the internet, so virtual learning schools were closed today. very, it's very frustrating, I'm telling you. This virtual learning is very frustrating. Although my kids loved it, they thought it was great that they got a free day or a day off or whatever. Anyway, I'm just so over this virtual learning. I don't know about anybody out there, but I am. So today when I went to Hobby Lobby, it was my first time going after watching Dawn H Creates. She had shared some goodies. I've seen people on Instagram sharing some goodies from Hobby Lobby, and I was like, oh, I can't go anywhere. Anyway, so I finally went and I picked up a few things. Um, I am so into the black and white checks this year. Um, I needed a new runner for my, I think what it's called. It's a butler's cabinet in your dining room. So I got a nice runner. Usually I get my runners at Tuesday morning, but my Tuesday morning in my area, closest to me, closed up. But I do have two others that are about, 20, 25 minutes away from me. And oh no. And I didn't want to go that far, but I got one anyway, and this was 50% off. It was so nice. Um, I don't need paper, believe me. I do not need paper. But I saw Elise and Donna shared on Instagram or even on YouTube the new papers, the new fall papers they had. Oh my gosh, they were so gorgeous, and they were very good quality. The 8.5 by 11, I didn't get those, but they were excellent quality. Um, I like the 12 by 12s better. Not, it's not thick by all means, but I just love them better. And this is the one I got. And they were four for $1. So I got four of these for my, I think for my Thanksgiving cards this year. And I love the plaids. Look at that. I gotta find plaid ribbon. I think I already have plaid ribbon to go with this, but it's gonna be cool. And then I saw this very subdued, very, it's not fall by all means, but I couldn't help it. I love the plaid, the black and white checks. I just love it. So I got four of those, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with this paper, but I love it. This is not new. I just got two papers of that, and I got two papers of these, because I'm, I'm already thinking about next month's, next month's tag for the Year of Julie Nutting tags. So stay tuned for that. And then I also picked up some other things. I picked up, let me bring it down a little bit. I bought these cute little candy canes. Just love those. They have little loops, so you could dangle this as a charm. And these were also 50% off. I bought some of these hooks for something other than hanging ornaments. You could hang these on them. You can put beads on it. You could do a tassel with this. So I bought a gold and a silver one. I think I already have some of this um, from Walmart, but I don't know where they are. So I had to go get them. Then I had to buy these. Oh my gosh, they are so cute. I should have bought, and I may go back, because I'm going to go back to get the black and white check chargers for my table this year. I already know that that's what I want. So I may go back and get another set of these if they're still there. You know, when no matter where I go, if I don't get two of them, when I want more of them, I can never find them. So this is probably going to go on my mini Christmas tree um, for my craft room this year. I'm going to use some black and white checks. I think that would be so cute to go with these ornaments. Um, I bought these little ornaments. They're so cute. They look good enough to eat. These little gingies, they're so cute. And I wish I saw these a couple weeks ago for my collab. I would have made something with these, either a chunky charm or something. So I got that, and then I got these little wreaths, um, 4 cards this year, I'm thinking, for my Christmas cards, so I don't know how that's going to be. And lastly, I think, yeah, I got this charm, which I love, and all the stuff that I'm showing you is 50% off, so I did not get anything on regular price this time around. But I love this charm. Isn't that cute? And I had to get him. I had to get her. Um, so I just love it. So anyway, and I got one, but then I got another one for myself because I believe I'm going to be putting this on my tag this year. So I want to thank everybody for watching my haul video. I try not to do them too often, but I had to show. Oh, I did get a new stamp set, and I showed it on my Instagram. Heidi Swap was on Instagram the other day, and she shared this stamp set. I went searching for it, not knowing that she was selling it on her site, because this stamp set has been discontinued. I looked at scrapbook.com and it's been discontinued. And then she said that she is bringing it back, and I'm so glad I got my hands on it. It is so cool. It even has numbers. I know it's a stamp, Tereese. Why are you so? I love it, and I think I stamped it out a little bit. I love I love her style. Um, and this was backwards, so I had to redo it. But it stamps really well. I mean, I didn't stamp it as well as I could have. but it steps really. The polymer, um, I think it's photopolymer. Yes. And it is made in the USA. Nice. Um, so yeah, so that is my haul and my little on order online haul. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.